Marketing strategy for Myfortic. Now this slide shows the marketing mix in which I tried to combine the 4 P's and C's. Coming to product or the customer value, Myfortic is placed in immunosuppressant. It's available in 2 strengths and it's given orally compared to other drugs which might have to be given intravenously. Coming to the price or the cost, it's less than the branded competitor, that is CellCept. It is placed in the niche market of organ transplantation, and for the convenience of customers, it's available in across 90 countries globally. Promotion or communication, the company Novartis has a global reach. It has a very good sales force and has direct to customer services. Market at time of launch. Switzerland was the first country in which Myfortic was approved, and it was shown to have a potential of 650 million Swiss francs. Currently, both Novartis and Roche hold the potential of having a 4 billion market for patients in need of new heart transplants also. And CellCept sales in 2003 was about 1.34 billion Swiss francs. Coming to the strengths of Myfortic, Novartis is a global presence in pharmaceutical industry. Myfortic is a proprietary patented intellectual. Novartis has diverse product offerings. It has a healthy segmental sales performance. There is access to pipeline from universities and labs all over the world. There is a low overhead and low base cost. Weaknesses is higher priced in comparison with generics. Its lack of differentiation of a product due to limited clinical data. Decline in group sales. There are patent expirations and the side effects of Myfortic. Opportunities, there are demographic trends and there is an increase in organ transplant globally, and it hence can suppression in organ transplants has a huge potential. Threats, competitive landscape from generics, uncertain R&D outcomes in new novel line extensions. Drug value proposition of Myfortic. It is being mentioned in the Anthem drug list. It's a tier 3 drug in the formulary which has the highest co-payment. It has lesser gastrointestinal side effects compared to mycophenolate mofetil and is better tolerated by patients. Positioning statement is Myfortic is designed for patients who have received a kidney transplant. It delivers the same medicine as CellCept and is slightly less costlier compared to CellCept. The side effects in terms of gastrointestinal side effects are lesser in Myfortic compared to CellCept. Pricing strategy, as mentioned earlier, it is priced lesser than CellCept, and initially it was launched in Switzerland and then to whole of Europe. Myfortic is a tier 3 in formulary drug. Post-marketing studies have shown lesser gastric adverse events in comparison to CellCept. It has better sales and distribution, and Novartis provides better customer support in terms of vouchers, co-pay and debit to patients as reimbursement. Line extension or novel indications, as mentioned earlier, Myfortic is also being tried for the treatment of class 3, 4 and 5 lupus nephritis. Currently the trials are undergoing, and it has been registered in Australia on 7th September 2012. It's also being tried out in liver transplantation, and there have been off-label uses of Myfortic in treatment of myasthenia gravis.